The main entrance to the Thousand Trails. But as you can see, you don't see any buildings. Oh, it's a beautiful day, is it not? But because the buildings are way this way. I mean, it's a hall. I don't think I've ever seen one where the main entrance, and that is the main entrance because there's no other businesses back here, houses, any of that kind of stuff. This is just straight up all Thousand Trails and all belongs. In fact, that's their water tower thing there. But it's way on in here. That's kind of surprising. And so here's actually the main entrance in. And right here to the right is putt-putt golf. Looks like they're actually well maintained. Volleyball, not so much maintained. But one other thing around this corner I want you to see, because it is real surprising of how you get in this place. So this direction here, I think there's some campsites back that way. The main campsite is this way. And they've got a one-lane bridge thing you have to go over. And watch how narrow this thing is. Yeah, I know I need to clean my windshield. Anyway, watch how narrow this is. It's crazy how, I mean, I have to drive my Class A through this thing. It is 100% one lane. I don't like driving my car through this, let alone having to drive my Class A plus a trailer I'm pulling. And I'm going to show you some more of these areas here because this is the pool. And beware, there's several of these around here. Well, this area of the park, as you can see, is they're just prepping it for the season because it is it's not available to rent as of yet. So there's some spots in there you can back into, but as you can see here, as I'm driving down the road, they got some cottages back here. Didn't know they had cottages. Must be a quick route to the cottages or something. It looks like they're basically small mobile homes is what they are. It's been with the brown siding, wood siding. Got several of them. Looks like there's 1 and 2 bedrooms back up in here. Looks like the regular park is that way, which I'll go there in a minute. Looks pretty nice. And this is the pool in the back of the property. Let's see if I can get in here. Oh, look at that, it is open. So that's telling me this thing is actually open. Actually a good sized pool. That's a rec room there behind it. Again, in the back of the property, because there's one up front. I guess they do use this because the awnings are out. I wonder if the water's heated. My guess is it's freezing cold. I'm about to put my hand in it. You can probably tell by my reaction. Gosh, I hope I don't drop my camera. Ooh, yeah, that's chilly. That's chilly. It's not cold, but I'm not swimming in it, more likely. Shower room. Awesome. Like it. This is walking up here, back up to the side of the rec center. They got a foosball table set up here. A grill, another grill. Most grills out here, if you bring your own propane, you can use them wherever you want. Sometimes they actually give you the propane, and they just might here. So this is the rec hall on the back side of the building, back side of the property. And I thought for a minute there it wasn't used, but there's actually 2 employees that are working in here. I knew it was being used because, well, I saw this, and I knew that it was being used for something. It's a good sized rec room. Pool table. It's a little smaller than most. The balls are here. Use some repair. Some TVs. And got one of these. The library. Down this hall, some office staff they have here. And that was on property. Wow. Birds and wildlife in the area. Restrooms. I'm only doing this because I want you to see this little place here they have for kids. It's like a little daycare area set up. Interesting. Yeah, there's a little bit of wildlife out here. You might be able to spot some in this shot here I'm doing. Just a few, like right by the road on property. And that one looks like one that they rent out full time because someone left a whole lot of stuff there. We're getting their RV worked on, maybe they took it on a quick excursion. And they've got storage back here to the back, which is cool. So storage is always good that they have that available in case you want to put it there. It's cheaper to put it there than put it on a site the entire winter season. So we are here to the back end of the other part of the park, actually where I'm at. And they've got lots of other hookups here. I don't know, looks like they've got power here, water. I don't know if they got sewer back here or not. So these also might be 30 amp. But cool. So let's take a look at some of the spots here. This is one of the pull-through spots. It's about 60 feet long. As you can see, there's some back ends on that side. So these are the back-to-back. So basically, my RV faces that way. Their RV would face this way, and they would plug in. So we plug in the same general area. My pedestal's on that side. Theirs is on this side. If I can get this thing open, there it goes. Look relatively new. It's a nice little setup there. That light does come on at night, so it is well lit. So I don't even think this has even been used. Might be that kind of new. It looks like it. Well, I guess this has been used. Maybe that's my driveway there, because I actually drove through here on my car. But the water hookups here, sewer hookups there. That thing did open that way, so I couldn't turn this bottom piece, which is why I've got this all kinked like that. I like a nice straight flow coming down, but that didn't happen here. As you can see, it's a really level spot. I didn't have any problems getting level. Tires never came off the ground and like that. So let's go on and take a look at some of the other parts. So I'm just going to show you one of these restroom buildings here. It may have showers in it, I don't know. I actually just walked in there, so it is empty. Looks like they lock it up at night is my guess. And there are 3 of these buildings that I've seen around the area. All right, that's nice. So it's got lights on a timer. Restroom, shower. Oh, I like the big shower. I got a little change room. Of course, the shower curtain's missing here, but if they had one here, I like the extra area in the shower curtain. But the shower's back there in good condition. Wouldn't have a problem at all taking a shower in this one here. Restrooms, toilet. Yep, that's a toilet. Floors are half bad, and a skylight. And it looks like it's in really good condition. So here's a good example of they're both side by side. So this one would pull in this way, and that one would come in this way, and your rear RVs would be back to back facing the opposite area. I need to pick me up a picnic table because I don't have one on my site. I may swipe one from one of these empty ones. We'll see. But that's a storage area over there. Definitely some more sites over there. These are that 30 amp area I showed you earlier. And this is their store here. You may be able to see inside here. You can tell they've got some items here, but this might be from last season because it looks pretty closed. There's a counter here, and the counter on the other side is empty all the way to the wall. So that's not it's not a valid store as it sits right now. It looks like these are all non-perishable stuff that they have here. But nonetheless, it is a store, probably open Memorial Day, Labor Day kind of thing. Yeah, and you can see one thing, fair warning, we are here. If you're coming this way from Vegas or someplace, not Vegas, but Los Angeles, do yourself a favor, keep going up this way. You want to come down, you want to come this way in and go that way. I came in on a little side road, and boy, it took me right here. But boy, this was a rough little road, dirt. You don't want that, but it's here. And you can take this road here. It's not nearly that smooth. It's freaking rough and windy. You don't want to be going, you don't want to come this way and come down this way. I assure you, you want to come up here, take this turn and come down this way to find where you need to be. This is an area that they just mow. It's like they're, it's a horseshoes is what they're doing. In fact, there's people on the other side of those bush playing horseshoes because that's another area there too. But it is just kind of new to, they just redone it. There's another one of the bathroom areas for the people that would be staying here this summer. They just mowed it today, as you can tell. Well, they are getting it prepped. It's a nice day out today. It's probably 75 out here. Should have went to the beach today. Huh. I did not see this basketball court. It's right outside the activities room, which this is the only one on the property. I took you through that already. But they got a full basketball court. In fact, I'm standing underneath the goal right here. It's in good condition. I'd play on that. In fact, I may go get my ball right now. But I did see there's a pickleball net right here. And this is lined for pickleball right here. So they've lined it for pickleball. That's good. 4 square hopscotch. But cool. They probably get really busy here, I would imagine. They need to come in here and do some weed eating. But this is right off the beaten path. I can almost see mine from over here. There's a woodpecker making some noise on the side of that building. So what are my likes and dislikes about this park? I've got lots of both actually. Likes, I really like that pool. Didn't get a chance to use it, but I might just use it tomorrow. We'll see. Who knows? I might change clothes now and go play basketball over there, and then go to the pool. Go to the pool over there. But I like it's everything's spread out. As you can see, there's no RV parking in here at all. No RV parking over there at all. That's actually shuffleboard down there. It's a concrete padded shuffleboard. It's not a real good shuffleboard court. Basketball courts, you can see the first RVers are way over that way. So I do like that about it. What I don't like about it is it's really hard to get to. It is, I'm just saying. It's a very hard park to get to. Google took me down a dirt road. It was no fun. And I didn't have to go down a dirt road. I had to come past it 2 miles and then turn around. It was a pain in the butt getting here. What we did get here, very hilly, getting up and through here. Didn't like that at all either. Also, as the main road coming in goes down to a 1 line, didn't like that at all. It's just not close to get to anything. Walmart, it's about 17 miles. There's actually a Target in town. It's in Hollister. It's about 12 miles, but there is no Walmart. Maybe Walmart might be 20 miles. Anyway, and I only say that because everything that goes on with Walmart. Not that I want Walmart to be close. But anyway, that's about it. I'll let this truck come by. And just like that, the truck went by me. So those are some of the things I like about this park. One of the things I like about this park is you can't hear a road. You can't hear an interstate, a side road, and definitely no trains. Big plus. Would I ever have a problem staying here again? No, not really. I don't have a problem staying here at all. I just saw a dump station. I guess I recorded that. They got a dump station here, so that's nice. But if you're in this area, you're north of way north of LA, a lot closer to San Jose and San Francisco, but it's just south of those, and we're an hour from I want to say it's Mandalay Bay. I don't know, something like that. There's a nice little bay not far from here. Maybe I'll put it right there. Yeah, there it is. I'll put it there, and it's not far from here. You could drive to. We actually made a day trip over there and saw the seals and stuff, so that was pretty cool. But it's close. It's an hour drive basically to the ocean, so there's beaches over there. Anyway, I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe. And again, if you can see these videos a whole lot earlier for just $3 whole bucks, so you can go and join the channel. Check down below in the description. It should tell you information about how to join the channel. But I'm gonna let you go. So yeah, that's it. I need to get back out here living the coolest life. RV Park Review Edition.